The Church Center app is a really helpful tool that we use for a lot of different things here at Chapel Hill, from online giving to registering for events and accessing our church directory. We wanted to make sure you're familiar with this app. First of all, if you don't yet have the Church Center app, we encourage you to download it from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you download it, you will search for Chapel Hill Christian Church and then select our church and log in. On the home page of the app, you can click the buttons to watch past worship services, to see our weekly announcements and the things that are coming up, and you can also access the digital connection card to fill out on Sunday mornings. Our events page is where you can see and sign up for upcoming events or classes. Simply click on an upcoming event to see more information, and then you can click the register button to sign up. The Give tab is where you can go for online giving. This is a secure giving platform. You can enter the amount you would like to give, press Next, and then choose if you want it to go into the general offering fund or another fund, as well as if you want it to be a one-time gift or a recurring gift. You can pay by credit or debit card or connect it to your bank account. The More tab has several different things to check out, but one I want to draw your attention to is the Directory tab, where you can access our church directory. This is a great way for our church family to be able to connect with one another. You do have to opt in to be part of our directory and to share your information, so if you are not a part of it yet, check your email for the link to join. If you click on the image in the top right-hand corner of the app, it can take you to your profile where you can update your contact information. We appreciate having your updated address, email address, and phone number so we can stay in touch with you. We also encourage you to upload a photo of yourself, as this is a way we can put faces with names in our church directory. Once your information and picture are up to date, you can click Directory Profile to approve which information you want shared in the church directory, and that can be updated at any time. We hope you'll find the Church Center app and some of these tools to be helpful. As always, if you have questions or run into any issues, please let us know and we will do our best to help.